How to delete your account on Asphalt 9. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your account on Asphalt 9. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course download the app, and after you have the app, you will simply need to open it up. So this is what the lobby of the app looks like. After you here, tap on the gear icon that is on the top right corner. After you're here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to game info, and right there on the right hand side bottom you'll find account deletion. Tap on it. Now it will redirect you to another web page, so wait while it loads. And this is the deletion page right there. Now here you will see that if you ask for your personal information to be deleted, we won't be able to provide you with the gaming experience. So tap on yes, I understand, tap on OK, scroll down, make sure that you go through the captcha and tap on submit. And then the last step is tap on yes, and then your account will get deleted. And yeah, that is how you delete your account. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.